Into Lowe's today expecting to find just the same old, same old. What did I discover? A whole bunch of new deals. Deals on Cobalt, Craftsman, some sexy Dewalt deals, and some unexpected finds. We even found some deals that are about to expire. So let's get into it. And we're going to start with Cobalt. So look, you can get one of these tools for free. And there's some decent finds in there. Angle grinder, hacksaw, circular saw, jigsaw, 5-inch random orbit sander. So if you buy their two 4-amp-hour extended run batteries with the charger, or their little hatchet, it comes with a 2-amp-hour battery and a charger for $149. One of those tools for free, that's a decent deal. They're also doing this deal. So if you buy the 1/2-inch impact wrench, the string trimmer blower combo, or the drill and impact driver combo for $149. Now, full disclosure, none of these tools I would consider on the high end, but they're good enough for the homeowner. Now, on top of that, they offer their two 4-amp-hour ultimate output batteries. Those are high output batteries for $99. The drill driver as a bare tool is $99. They also have their XTR, that's their high-end line with a 4-amp-hour ultimate output battery. Used to be $169, $99. They also have their jigsaw down to $99 from $129. A single 4-amp-hour extended run battery is $10 off, down to $60. And while we're talking about batteries, how about this Craftsman 6-amp-hour battery? Down to $69. And since we're talking about Craftsman, look at this. You get a free tool. That hammer drill, I just picked that up. Impact driver, recip saw, circ saw, the little cutoff tool, that's an intriguing one. Look, $249, you get two of those tools for free when you buy the drill impact driver combo kit with two 2-amp-hour batteries, charger, and bag. Or $149, you get a 2-pack of 4-amp-hour batteries with a charger, and you get one free tool. Now that's very close to what they offered in years past for Black Friday at Christmas time. So that's pretty good. On top of that, they also have this job site fan with a 2-amp-hour battery or a 1.5-amp-hour battery and a charger for $99. $49 for a 4-amp-hour battery. $159 for a 1/2-inch impact wrench with a 6-amp-hour battery. Now, these are all brush tools. If you know my rule, I don't buy brush tools, but they're good enough for the homeowner. So the drill, the flashlight, the impact driver, the recip saw, $149, comes with two 2-amp-hour batteries and a charger. Again, all brushed, but it's an 8-tool combo: flashlight, drills, fan, impact wrench, 5-inch random orbit sander, jigsaw, circular saw, oscillating multi-tool, 2 batteries, charger, bag. 14-piece gold oxide twist bit set for $14.98. 47-piece screw driving bit set. Now those are not impact rated. $14.98. 60-piece driver bit set with a spattle bit, twist bits, even masonry in there. $29.98. Or you can have a little bit of everything. 140-piece set for $39.98, saving you $5. Now on this 7-piece hole saw kit, I'm going to save you a little bit of time and a little bit of money. These are terrible. They're one-time, maybe 2-time use, and then they're garbage. $34.98. Now, if you're looking for a tool chest, this might be the one for you. It's a 26-inch bottom and top. The top, $169. You're going to save about $55 on that. The bottom, another $55 savings, down to $229. So you can get the whole set for $398. The Craftsman Versa Stack 17-inch 2-drawer plastic toolbox, that's $37.98. The 10-inch string trimmer with a 2-amp-hour battery and a charger is $99. This is not a bad value because it's a 4-amp-hour and a 2-amp-hour battery with a charger for $99. Your oscillating multi-tool sanding pads, 7 pieces for $10. Now, unfortunately, the Craftsman Overdrive mechanics tool sets, they're not on sale anymore, but this 135 piece set comes with 3 ratchets, sockets, wrenches, full lifetime warranty, $99. The 189 piece set, $40 off down to $149. And the 298 piece set that comes with a tool box, that's $100 off. And the last thing from Craftsman I'm going to show you is this 13 amp, 8¼ inch table saw, $129. And since we're talking about saws, a ton of the miter saws are on sale. Like this 7¼ chop saw from Cobalt, $119. The 7¼ sliding miter saw, that's $80 off down to $139. And of course, their 10-inch dual bevel compound sliding miter saw, that's only $40 off, but it's $249. The Dewalt 12-inch single bevel miter saw, you're gonna save $80. It's down to $249. And this is just a steal. So it is their 12-inch dual bevel compound sliding miter saw. Now this is the older model, but it's $200 off, down to $399. The Cobalt 12-inch, that's a slider and it's $299. The Metabo 12-inch chop saw, you're gonna save $100, $229. And then there's the new Dewalt 12-inch dual bevel compound sliding miter saw. It was $649. It is now $499. You want something funny? I have this Cobalt light. I've had it for like 2 years and it's still in the package. It's never been used. I don't know if it's good or bad. It's $27.98 right now. And this floodlight, look, it comes with a clamp so you can put it anywhere, $49.98. The 10-inch job site table saw, it has a rolling stand, but it's really a stationary, $50 off, down to $249. Now, when I think of a rolling stand, I think of something like this that has the wheels on the bottom. Also, they're 10-inch, $50 off. This is obviously the best table saw that they sell here at Lowe's as far as job site saws go. It's the 10-inch Dewalt. What I really like about it, it has a rack and pinion and the best fence on any job site table saw. I also like saving $100. This deal did catch my eye. So this is a 10 amp, 2 horsepower router from Skill for $100. But I would still buy this one. One, it's a plunge router. It's also a little more powerful. It's 15 amps, 2.5 horse. But if you buy that, you get a 6-piece router bit set, also from Skill, for free. When it comes to routers, I trust Bosch above all the others. So this plunge router with the stationary base, $20 off, down to $249. And their fixed based router, also $20 off, down to $179. And speaking of Bosch, almost all of their deals are going to end on May 30th. The Bosch Pro Factor Recip saw, check that out, $159, saving you $40. The 8 amp hour Pro Factor battery with a charger, $99, down from $229. That's a heck of a savings right there. The 4 amp hour Pro Factor battery or core battery is $99. The Starlock oscillating multi-tool, that's actually just dropped down in price. It's down to $79. The job site blower as a bare tool, $79. Their compact 400 inch-pound drill, it comes with a 2 amp hour battery, is down to $79. Now these are the compact drill and impact a driver combo kit. Comes with 2 amp hour batteries and a charger for $149. You're going to save $50. And then you have the impact wrench that Torque Test Channel, I believe, still has as their top rated. This is the High Torque Pro Factor, down to $159. You're going to save $100 on that. 2 core 4 amp hour batteries with the charger, $30 off down to $149. But I think when it comes to the job site, most people associate Bosch with two things: rotary hammers and lasers. So you have this huge mamma jamma here. It takes a 1 9/16 rotary bit, $60 off. Then you have this mamma jamma here. That's 1 5/8, $70 off, $659. But most guys go with this. It's the Bosch Bulldog. It's $20 off, but that's $229 of excellence. The 50-foot red crossline laser level, $30 off down to $89. Now these two are just crazy. So the 100-foot green crossline laser level, that's $239. You're saving $160 on that right now. And then you have their 200-foot 16-point green crossline. Check that out. I think that's $180 off. It's down to $399. And since we're here, we might as well talk about Klein. The Klein Stud Finder, $5 off. Their compact laser distance measuring tool, also $5 off. Their pocket laser level, that's $10 off. And those, while not great deals on Klein, they end on the 30th. And speaking of Klein, have you guys noticed how many of their tools are now made in China, not in the US? Like these snips, they're made in Taiwan. These professional shears, which by the way are $5 off down to $14.98, made in China. I'm not saying that's good or bad. This 8-piece screwdriver set, $10 off. The clamp meter line splitter GFCI tester, $60 down from $75. The AC/DC volt tester, $6 off. And their 10-inch pipe wrench, $7.50 off. And the compression sleeve knee pads, $28 down from $35. Now you Dewalt dudes, I got some bad news for you. Their deals are expiring on the 30th. So this is your last chance. If you want to get this 8 amp hour battery for free, all you have to do is buy one of these tools or one of these two combo kits. Now that's the 860 impact driver with a 5 and a 1.7 power stack battery. That's a great impact driver if you're right-handed. This is the 1007, a high torque hammer drill with two 1.7, that's a 1.7 and a 2 amp hour battery with a charger in a bag. That is the most powerful hammer drill DeWalt has ever made. The Bluetooth job site speaker is down to $89. The 793 drill with the 787 impact driver, 6.5-inch circular saw, two 5 amp hour batteries, charger, and a bag, $50 off. The 793 drill with the 840 impact driver, two 2 amp hour batteries, charger, and a bag, that's $60 off. That's down to $169. Here's the 798 hammer drill with the 840 impact driver, two 1.7 power stack batteries, charger, a bag, $70 off down to $229. And then there's the 7-tool combo. 798 hammer drill, the 787 impact driver, circular saw, the XR recip saw, oscillating multi-tool, cut-off tool, 5-inch random orbit sander, two 5 amp hour batteries, charger, and a bag, $50 off. And speaking of $50 off, for $399 you get the 4-tool combo kit. It's the 805. That is a very compact, decent hammer drill with the 887. That's the old standard bearer impact driver, recip saw, flashlight, 5 amp hour battery, 1.7 power stack, charger, and a bag. 12 volt extreme. Deal ends on the 30th. You get a 12 volt, 5 amp hour battery for free when you buy one of these tools. So take your choice of the impact wrenches, the circ saw, the rotary hammer, the extended head ratchet, the regular ratchet, bandsaw, oscillating multi-tool, or hacksaw. I have this. It's very powerful, but I really want to get an extended head ratchet. So, you know, maybe. But it's not all doom and gloom because these deals just started. The 793 drill with a 2 amp hour battery charger in a bag. The 840 impact driver with a 2 amp hour battery charger in a bag. Or the oscillating multi-tool. Now that's the XR oscillating multi-tool. That is a 1.5 amp hour battery. That is a bad battery, but this is still a good deal. Any one of those three is $99. Or you can get the 793 with the 840, two 4 amp or two 2 amp hour batteries charged in a bag for $169. The 5-piece multi-material blade set for your oscillating multi-tool, $15 off down to $34.98. The 7-piece multi-material blade set, well, that's $39.98 down from $50. Now, speaking of blade sets, there's this Dremel 6-piece set. It's down to $12.49 from $50. But did you know Dremel is made by Bosch, who also makes Diablo? Now, this is a tremendous value on the PVC cutter from Dewalt that attaches to your impact driver. That's $30 off down to $89. They also have the copper tubing cutter down to $89. Check out what's on clearance. It's a 2-pack of 5 amp hour power stack batteries. $100 off. 2 5 amp hour batteries with a charger, $299. 5 amp hour standard battery, $99. 2 4 amp hour batteries, that's $99. 2 6 amp hour batteries, $179. But my absolute favorite DeWalt battery is the 5 amp hour power stack. You can get one of those, $99. Now those battery deals for DeWalt, they're excellent. Now I showed these to you earlier in the video. They are the 6-inch Weehaw nut setters. $10 off down to $29.98. Now we have a new surprising deal on Metabo. So if you buy their 30-degree framing nailer, which just so happens to be on clearance for $298.87 down from $370. It comes with a battery charger. You get a 2.5 multi-volt battery for free. So on an 18-volt tool, that's a 5 amp hour battery. They also have the subcompact drill and impact driver combo kit. Comes with two 2 amp hour batteries down to $159. And their one-hand saber saw, that's down to $103. And they still have this deal on the impact driver with the brad nailer, $229. Comes with a 2 amp hour battery, saving you $50. And a 4-pack of 2 amp hour batteries, $99. And Flex has a special place in my heart. 1, because they're a newer tool line. 2, because they're really good tools. Now the deal on their nailers, where if you buy one of the nailers, you get either a 2.5 standard battery with a charger or a 3.5 stacked lithium battery with a charger, that ends on the 2nd. The compact bandsaw, $50 off down to $219. And here's a really nice 4-tool combo kit. Includes the impact driver, the drill, oscillating multi-tool, recip saw, charger, bag, and a 2 amp hour battery. $50 off down to $349. But this is the one I would want. So it's the turbo hammer drill, the quick eject impact driver, the inline circular saw, the flashlight, a 3.5 stacked lithium with a 6 amp hour stacked lithium battery, a rapid charger, and a bag. $449. You're going to save $200 on that kit. I am so happy that we can come here and show you guys all these new deals. We're really excited about it. Some good, some bad. I don't control those. I just bring them to you. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, because we do this for you 1 to 2 times a week at Lowe's and at Home Depot.